Today's topic is location of tetrahedral void. What is tetrahedral void? We know that a tetrahedral void is formed when four spheres, three in one layer and one in the other layer, they comes in contact with each other, then the space, vacant space in between the four spheres is known as a tetrahedral void. Now question arises here, how to locate a tetrahedral void? To locate the tetrahedral void, it is not necessary to visualize a three-dimensional structure. यदि हम लोग पेपर पर डायग्राम को ड्रॉ करना जान जाए तो हम लोगों को समझने में इजी हो जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग डायग्राम बनाते हैं। We are drawing a unit cell This is a unit cell. Here, in the formation of a tetrahedral void, we require four spheres. तो सिर्फ हम लोग वो फोर स्फीयर्स को यहाँ पर शो कर रहे हैं। फर्स्ट स्फीयर, it is present at the center of the upper face. This is at the center of the upper face. Center of the upper face. Another sphere may be considered as atom, molecule or ion. It is present at the center of the side face, one of the side face. So it is present at the center of the side face. Another sphere we are considering at the center of the back face. So these three spheres, when they are connected to each other, then it forms a triangular base. इन तीनों स्फीयर को यदि हम लोग मिला देते हैं तो एक ट्रायंगुलर बेस बनता है। इस स्फीयर को यदि नंबरिंग कर दें 1, 2, 3, then these three spheres it forms a layer. These three spheres are present in one layer. One sphere is present at the corner और यह जो sphere है यह दूसरे लेयर का है. Suppose it is 4. So sphere 1, 2 and 3, these are present in a layer. And sphere number 4, it is present in another layer. Now यदि हम लोग इसको यहाँ से मिला दें तो we find that a tetrahedral structure is formed and this is the tetrahedral void. The center of this tetrahedral void, it is at the center of the body diagonal. This is the body diagonal. The center of this tetrahedral void is present at the body diagonal. So this is the center of the tetrahedral void. So we are observing that one tetrahedral void is formed at the body diagonal. Similarly, हम लोग एक दूसरा यूनिट सेल बनाते हैं. नाउ अब यहाँ हम लोग को क्या देखना है कि ये जो बॉटम फेस है इसके सेंटर पर हम लोग एक स्फीयर ले लेते हैं. वी आर टेकिंग वन स्फीयर एट द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉटम फेस. एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस साइड फेस वी आर टेकिंग वन स्फीयर एंड दिस इज द फ्रंट फेस. इस फ्रंट फेस के सेंटर पर we are taking one sphere. If we connect these three, then again a triangular base is formed. Suppose this is sphere 1, 2 and 3. So again sphere 1, 2 and 3 they are present in one layer, and this is the sphere which is number 4. So sphere 4 is present in another layer. If we connect these spheres, then we find that a tetrahedral structure is formed, and the center of this tetrahedral void again lies at the center of this tetrahedral. Now the center of this tetrahedral void is at the body diagonal. So we can observe here that at the body diagonal one tetrahedral void is formed, and at the same time another tetrahedral void is formed here, the center of which it is also present at the body diagonal. So we can say at the body diagonal there are two tetrahedral voids. Body diagonal there are two tetrahedral voids. How many body diagonals are present in a cube? There are 4 body diagonals. So in a cube, the number of body diagonals, it is equal to how much? It is equal to 4. So how many tetrahedral voids will be formed? So number of tetrahedral voids. In one body diagonal there are 2 tetrahedral voids. So there are 4 body diagonals in a cube. Therefore number of tetrahedral voids, it will be 2 into 4, that is 8. Now since we have considered a FCC lattice, now in a FCC lattice, suppose here the number of atoms, it is equal to n. Then how many tetrahedral voids will be formed? So number of tetrahedral voids, it will be equal to 2n. In FCC, the number of atoms n equal to 4. How many tetrahedral voids are formed? It is equal to 8. Thus, in this way, we can say that the rule that number of tetrahedral voids, it is always equal to 2n, it is validated. Therefore, the rule, it is validated. Octahedral voids. Now, octahedral voids, in this case, it is surrounded by 6 spheres, that is constituent particles, which may be atoms, molecules or ions. Now let us consider a unit cell of CCP or HCP lattice. Now remember here that an octahedral void is formed at the center of all the 12 edges. In a cube there are 12 edges, and octahedral void is formed at the center of all the 12 edges. Now an octahedral void is always surrounded by 6 particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions. Out of these 6 particles, 4 belongs to the same unit cell. 4 belongs to the same unit cell, out of which 2 are present at the corners and 2 at the face centers. Out of these 6 particles, 2 particles belongs to the adjacent unit cell. Now let us clear it by making the diagram. We are drawing a unit cell . This is a unit cell . Now all together हम लोगों को कितना पार्टिकल्स चाहिए? 6 स्फीयर्स चाहिए। तो 6 स्फीयर्स हम लोग जान रहे हैं, वी आर नोइंग दैट 4 बिलोंग्स टू द सेम यूनिट सेल। So this is the first sphere, this is the second sphere, third sphere is present at the center of the top face, and the fourth sphere is present at the center of the side face. Now if we join these four, two spheres are present adjacent in the adjacent unit cells. So one sphere is present here, other one is present here. These two spheres are present in the adjacent unit cells. Now if we connect this one, then we observe that an octahedral structure is formed, and in this octahedral structure here, and a void is formed which is known as octahedral void. The center of this octahedral void is along the, this is along the edge, this is the edge, along the center of this edge. So octahedral void is formed at the center of an edge. So in a cube there are 12 edges, and on all the edges an octahedral void will be formed. Another octahedral void is also formed at the center of the cube, the center of which lies at the center of the cube. To understand this one, again let us draw the structure. We are drawing the structure of a unit cell. In a unit cell altogether there are 6 faces, and we know that these 6 faces here, the particles, constituent particles are present at the center of each face in abscissae lattice. So here this one is the sphere atom, ion or molecule present at the upper face. Similarly जितनी भी फेस हैं सबके सेंटर पर पार्टिकल्स को शो कर देना है. This one is present at the center of the back face, and this one is present at the center of the front face. Now if we combine this one, then we observe that an octahedral structure is formed. Here 6 spheres are present at the center of the 6 faces, and if we join them, then we find that here an octahedral void is formed, the center of which lies at the center of the unit cell. This is the center of the octahedral void. Octahedral void. So we are observing that octahedral voids are formed in 2 different ways. In the first case, octahedral void is formed at the center of all the edges, and in the second case, octahedral void is formed at the center of the unit cell, that is cube. Location of octahedral voids. The body center of the cube is surrounded by 6 particles which may be atoms, molecules or ions, and the atoms molecules or ions are present at the center of the 6 faces. Now there are two locations. First one is one octahedral void is formed at the center of each edges, and second one is another octahedral void is formed at the center of the cube. Now contribution of octahedral void at an edge is 1 by 4 because one edge is shared by 4 other unit cells. So contribution of octahedral voids at how many edges are there? 12 edges. It is equal to 12 into 1 by 4, that is 3. Similarly, contribution of octahedral void at the center of the cube. The particle present at the center of the cube is not shared by any other unit cells. Therefore, its contribution will be equal to 1. Therefore, total contribution of octahedral voids equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now in FCC lattice, if number of atoms equal to n, then octahedral voids equal to n. Here also we are observing that in case of FCC lattice, number of atoms, it is how much? It is equal to 4. And number of octahedral voids formed, it is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. In this way we can validate the formula, that is number of tetrahedral void, it is equal to 2n, number of octahedral void, it is equal to n, where n is the number of atoms, particles, ions, molecules.